Hello and welcome back to another episode of Put to Practice Cooking. Today we're kind of doing a very unique one, at least I'm pretty sure it's unique. Every person I tell it to seems unique. We're going to be making chicken thighs. They're going to be stuffed with a pork dumpling filling, and as well as going to be brushed with a Dr. Pepper marinade that I made for myself, or glaze. Either way, should be pretty interesting. First time for this, so the recipe from the dumpling filling and our marinade. It's all kind of for myself, so I'm gonna see how well this goes. Let's get started. All right, so let's get started. So first time me actually messing with really wings like this, so let's see how well this goes. So first off, I believe you have to I think you have to break it at this point. I think. Yeah, let's just try this out. Let's just get this out of the way. Yeah, I think I remember reading that it needs to be broken right here. We'll have to be careful because, I mean, you got plenty of extras, but definitely don't want to waste any. There we go. Yeah, okay, so this is like the riblet, but it's not really something we're going to be using. So what we need to do is cut around, because we got the two bones in here, so we got to make sure to find both the bone starts. So what you do okay, good, we broke it across. Okay, so cut out the tendons as much as possible, and then you just do. Okay, so that is one, unfortunately. That was a lot of effort for that, but we will just make sure we got the whole pocket emptied out. Yeah, that's good enough. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be emptied out or not, but I think that part of it's supposed to be for the meat. Kind of feel that there's not a lot of room in there, but we will see. So now get some of the dumpling filling I already had, and kind of just stuff it in there. Okay, so now we're going to put some of this in here, then paint it pretty much, or glaze. Make sure you get all the sides of it. We'll leave it in like that since it's going to be rinse repeated. And then now we are going to put that aside. Now, unfortunately, we're to repeat for all of this, so kind of a big time lapse about to happen. I might stop it at some point depending on how long it takes, so just be prepared for that. Then I will see you when it's all done. Hello, we're back. It took kind of a little while, so I had to cut off the video, but we got our wings in here, and so we're going to put these both on high heat and cook them for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then we're going to flip them so each side. Once we're done, we're going to put all that on the cookie sheet right here, and then we will put them in the oven for about 10ish, just to make sure the innards get cooked. Man, I got huge mess I got to clean up with this. As much as this is going to be delicious, hopefully, definitely makes a huge mess. Okay, so that was a big old mess, but hopefully worth it. There'll be some cleaning I have to do afterwards. Damn. Okay, so they turned out, I believe, pretty well, at least the starting point. As you can plainly see, a lot of the pork is still very much pink, so that little bit's not enough. So that's why we're going to put it in the oven. Just before we put it in the oven, though, we're going to give it another helping of the glaze so that it can get baked on there. I'm going to say 10 minutes, but likely it's probably going to need more than that. Alright, so 375 for about 10 minutes. I'm going to check on them. Might need more than that, but we'll see how that goes. So I'll see you when they are all done. Also, I'll show you the meatballs when they're done too. I'm just going to pan fry them. Just going to clean up a pan, just throw them in, cook them, put them aside. So nothing special. So see you after that. Hello, we're finally done. I will say it took about actually 30 minutes or so with that temperature. So kind of be careful. Make sure you get a knife and cut into some of them. See if they turn out well. We'll see how this turns out. The meatballs also took kind of a little while too. So careful with that. Okay, so there is our bite. So you got all the nice chicken in there, and then with a little bit of it. So let's see how that goes. Very sweet. I think I say, despite how good it turned out and everything, I kind of feel that there's not enough flavor to it, I guess. I mean, sure, you get the sweetness and everything. It's kind of just caramelized, but definitely needs some work in my opinion. Then we got our meatballs too. The one that just threw some eggs and breadcrumbs. So I think this should be good. A little burnt, but yeah. It is just the filling, so really good, just like how the meat was. But I think both definitely need some kind of sauce. I don't know what else it needs. I don't know what kind. I think some tomato base. I'm not something more than just ketchup, but I think it definitely needs something more than that. But otherwise, I think we call it a win. So hope you have a good rest of your day, and hope your attempt was as good as mine.